I'm ABCnews with ABC News Live, and we are taking a look at health and wellness in a community that is known for positivity and good vibes, yoga. Here at the Yoga Expo in Los Angeles, California, thousands of yogis are gathering to connect, shop, and practice. Time to roll out our mats. Let's check it out.
About me. I don't deserve it. I'm not, I'm here to be a servant. I'm here to be of service. All those things that have brainwashed your brain and have sabotaged your lives, wash that out of your life and take your power back and raise your standards. And raise your standards like right this second. Put your foot strong and down and be like, I'm going to take my power.
Thanks for connecting with us. I'm ABCnews, and you're watching ABC News Live.